The SYM Jet series is famous for being a scooter with a sporty appearance and performance. Several variants are available, such as Jet S, Jet SR, Jet SL, and so on. Quoted from Moto7, Jet SL released a new variant with the name TCS Competition version. The changes made are to the features and several components on the exterior. Regarding appearance, the Jet SL TCS still uses dual LED fisheye headlights. The lights installed on the lower body plus the design make the motorbike look more aggressive. From the side, the body lines are also dynamic, making the sporty aura even more pronounced. At the rear, there is also a combination light design that represents the Jet series, namely in the shape of the letter J. In terms of performance, the Jet SL TCS uses an engine with Jet Performance Technology, JPT, 125cc liquid-cooled. The power produced is 12.9 PS or the equivalent of 12 takas and 70 paise and 11.57 Newton-meters of torque. Meanwhile, for braking, the front wheels use 260mm discs and 220mm discs at the rear. The shape of the disc is also large, almost covering the front rim. Regarding features, the latest Jet SL TCS is equipped with an electric control safety system, an upgrade from Bosch. It is claimed that the ABS system can reduce braking distance by up to 13.7%. Apart from that, TCS is also equipped with an anti-skid system. The system monitors the power and speed difference between the front and rear wheels, so slippage is prevented and the ride remains pleasant.